This is Unit 7, Week 1, question number 8. And about the end of the war. President Wilson, first American president to leave the United States while in office. What does he do? He travels across the Atlantic by steamship. Fortunately not the Lusitania, although it's already been sunk. He arrives for the peace treaty that's being discussed at Versailles. He has a goal. He wants peace without victory. He's put together 14 points, 14 goals for changes to prevent this kind of catastrophe like a world war from ever happening again. He doesn't want to blame anyone. The problem is the other countries that are there want to blame, blame, blame. He has his 14 points. Point number 1, no secret treaties. Basically to deal with the alliances that have caused the war. Point number 2 of his 14 points, freedom to navigate the seas, international boundaries. In other words, dealing with the cause of the war with the undersea Putin. No torpedoing ships. Will make the oceans open for trade. Point number 3, reduce economic barriers. Open up trade, more trade between countries. Remove tariffs, open free trade. Point number 4, reduce the military buildup of countries. Shrink the military, deal with militarism. A country should have enough weapons to defend their country, but not go on offense. In other words, we should have the militaries for defending, not for attacking. And then points 5 through 13 were all about redrawing the map of Europe, trying to make European territories line up as closely as they could with traditional religions, cultures, etc. And point 14, this was his biggie, this is what he wanted. He wanted an international association of countries for peace. His idea was for this League of Nations. He went to Germany, he went to sign the peace treaty, went to Versailles, lost all of his points, but he held on for number 14. He wanted this League of Nations. Although, ironically, we don't end up joining. That's it from some guy in an aloha print shirt.